chili onion cheese pie. And its base is a buttery, flaky quiche crust. For quiche crust for one, check this recipe. The nice thing is you can make that ahead of schedule. I've had this one in my fridge now for probably about 2 weeks. Just go ahead and get it rolled out. In any kind of special pan, I'm using a ramekin. And if you don't have a rolling pin, that's not a problem either. Check the cinnamon roll recipe where I show you how to use a canned good wrapped in plastic wrap as a rolling pin. So I'm going to go ahead and get this rolled out real fast. You can blind bake this if you'd like to, meaning poke all the holes in it, give it a weight, and throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes to get it pre-baked. With this recipe, though, I don't do that because it is so small. It all bakes together, and I've never had a problem with the crust. So we're going to go ahead and set the crust aside. Now, to 1 egg, we're going to add a ½ cup of sour cream and an 1/8 cup of diced green chilies. This is the remainder of a can that I had, the rest of which went into a Mexican scramble and egg enchiladas, which you can find in my egg recipe playlist. Melting 1 tablespoon of butter, adding ½ an onion, super thinly sliced, and we're just going to cook that down until it's brown and slightly caramelized. There we go. Now to our egg mixture, we're going to go ahead and add those onions and about 1/3 cup of jack. And we'll get that all stirred up. A little bit of salt. You can use both jack and cheddar in this, cheddar, whatever you like. We're going to go ahead and fill our shell and then pop that in a 350 oven for about 20 minutes. When we shake it, it barely jiggles. That's how you know it's done. I'm going to quickly melt some more cheese on top. Look at that golden crust, and oh, you can smell the butter in it. One quick chili cheese pie. Serve it with a salad, whatever works for you. Cook for one, have some fun, waste none. Recipes in the description, along with a link to my free solo cook survival guide. And if you want to keep the kitchen cabinet, there's a link for that too. See you in the next one.